Hello, Tia here, wig coach, wig educator, and owner of Tia Maria Wigs. But today I am working with Especially Yours, and you can find them at especiallyyours.com. They sent me this gorgeous dress and a wig to try, and so I am doing that right now, and I cannot wait. I have not opened it. If you want to see the unboxing, the wig, how I wear it, what I do with it, then this is the video for you. Okay, so this is the wig. This is Porsha. She's in the color T2/3950. I don't have my glasses on. 3950, I'm pretty sure. And this is the little box. This is a braided wig. I'm very, very, very excited. You can find Especially Yours, like I said, online, but also you can follow them on Facebook and Instagram at especially.yours. So I'll also have them put it on the screen for you. The paper is so nice. Look at that. It's like the printed paper. Oh, yeah. And this is the wig. I got a braided wig because it's not something I normally, like I don't carry these necessarily in my store all the time. And I don't get a chance to like play with them. So this is the wig. Oh my gosh. I've gotten a bunch of wigs from Especially Yours, but I'm pretty sure I got at least 2 other braided wigs, and then one that was like braided, like this was braided and then it was like in sort of like a knot at the back, and that was really, really cute. So the quality of them are really nice. Ooh, this cap is nice. So let's go ahead and look at it. It's got a lot of silica packs and things. You would want to cut the lace and everything on this. Oh wow, this one is a nice cap. This one does not appear to be heat safe. It says don't use hot tools on this. They package it really nicely to like make sure that nothing gets messed up. So this is what she looks like. This is the hairline and the part. Let's look at the inside. The cap is what I'm excited to share with you guys. She's got the 2 combs, but she has bendable ear tabs. She's got the Velcro type adjusters, but it does have a beautiful mesh cap and the adjustable strap, which is, yeah, that just helps it to pull on either side to help it lay, especially with the braids and everything. All right, let me get my glasses so that I can cut this lace and not mess it up. Okay, this is how I cut lace. I don't often get to do this in videos, so I actually hold the lace from the lace part. This is just how I do it. I pull down like any baby hairs, and you can kind of see when you can see it when you look into the light. You can see that line of the end of where, you know, the hand tying is. So I actually hold this up to the light. I'm going to start the cutting around the side, and then we're going to just literally hold it up to the light and just follow the edge there. And I like holding it from the lace because I feel like it gives a nice clean cut when you hold it from the lace part. Don't cut yourself. That's why you need your glasses. Like I said, I've gotten other wigs from Especially Yours. I find them to be really, really nice. Let's go ahead and take off my glasses. Let's go ahead and take off this. You can either use or not use the strap. Let's use the strap just for now. Oh my, my, my. All right, so here's the ear tabs are in the right spot. Oh, this is really cute. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. Now for this one, I would want to pull these baby hairs down and use them, and then also probably put maybe some powder in the part. Let's see. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this little edge comb. So I'm going to spray some wig wax on the brush. And then I'm going to go in and let's get our glasses on because I want to show you. Oh, my brows like totally match this too. I'm just gonna use this to brush down any of the baby hairs. I feel like wigs like this, if you're gonna do like a braided wig, having the baby hairs really helps it to look a little bit more natural. Okay. Oh yeah. I might use I might use some shaping cream actually, but this is, you know, this is working pretty well actually. You know what would be better is like maybe a little bit of a stronger hold. Let me use the Renee Paris holding spray. It's a little bit thicker and I usually don't like it as much, but it'll help for this. All right, I'm gonna use this Protect and Hold spray from Renee Paris. It is more of a like, when I'm styling wigs, this is what I use. So I feel like, do I like it more in the middle or do I like it off to the side? I actually think I like it like in the middle. And then do like maybe something like this. All right, let's get not getting ahead of ourselves. Let's go like this and then work this down and swoop it over here. People do their baby hairs differently, so, you know, do them to your liking. I really like this color. When you see the dress, you'll see why I chose this color. Now I do think I need to set this back just a little bit on my forehead. Now this is definitely sticky enough, but normally I would prefer to use like more of a gel or something, but I was not prepared for doing this as much as I thought. I don't know, I didn't think about that part when I got all this stuff together. But you know, sometimes you don't have all the stuff, so this is a way you can get, I'm using the comb side to sort of separate and sculpt this, and we'll let that dry. I do want to add a little powder into the part. Don't go for second best, baby. This thing is making me want to like sing. I think that's good. So I'm just going to put a little bit of powder and just tap it into the part a little bit. I'd use a different brush normally, but again, not prepared. This brush is totally fine. And then I'm going to tap it right along the edge as well, so it just blends and hides any knots that you might have. Don't go for second best, baby. I actually sell a set that is perfect for adding powder to the part, all that kind of stuff, on my website, tmwigs.com. It's called the blending kit. I so want to like, ooh, do you see these red pieces? So I have the dress and I so want to do like a, maybe something like this. I don't know, is that too much? Maybe it's too much braids. It's very comfortable, like really, really comfortable. All right, let's go ahead and look at the dress, and then I'll decide if I want to do like some kind of styling with this. I feel like I do, but I think this has a little headpiece to it, so let's see. Oh, we got to get her out of the way. She is not, I'm not going to continue to wear her now that I got this girl. It could stand to be a little bit tighter on me. And I'm glad that I have, oh, it's a Velcro. You can actually just, if you have like a Velcro adjustment, you can actually just like lift it up behind your head. You don't have to take the whole thing off. I'm like really loving this. This is the dress. I picked this dress out. It's a bubble dress. I'll have to put video in and pictures, but let's open it up. It's like my favorite color. I'm excited. So this is the little headdress or the headscarf part. I don't know if I want to use this with it or not because I have an idea of how I want to style it. So let's see. Let's see. It's like this bubble dress. Look at how adorable this is. And it's got the pockets. Oh my gosh. And the bottom. Okay. So I'm going to go change, put this on and put some pictures and video in, and then I'm going to come back and I will either style this or do my final thoughts or whatever. Okay, so I got caught up with a customer. I've been wearing this wig for like 2 hours now. I thought it would be very heavy. It's not. I actually love this wig a lot. I love this dress. You'll see the video that I took of the full dress. I love it. I do feel like I want to play with it and do some styling, and I might, I don't know. I might do that. If you want to see that in a video, I can do that because I really want to play with this. But for now, I'm like really loving it the way that it is. So yeah. Thank you so much to Especially Yours for sending me this wig and this outfit. You can find them at especiallyyours.com. Follow them on all of the socials. If you want to see more with this wig, let me know down below. If you'd like to see me do a few more things with them, also let me know that down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!